Hey guys, so as I was editing this video, I realized it didn't have an intro, so hi. um, as you can tell by the title, I am just organizing my closet, which it needed it so badly. It just was not looking too hot, and I'm on an organizing kick right now, so I love watching these videos, and I figured someone else would probably like to watch them, so I hope you enjoy. Okay, so this is our closet. This is Jesse's side, and this is always drives me crazy. So I'm gonna get him new hangers that are all uniform, probably like wood hangers, and yeah, because it's I hate it. So this is his side. He just has shoes laying around. And then shoes up there, and then we both have a dresser. His is right here, and then mine's right here. And then this is my side. I do have a color coded, and then I have velvet hangers, and then I have some shoes up here, and then shoes down there. And then we actually have one more hamper that's in the laundry room. That's his, it goes on that side, that's mine, and then that's like just a random one. And then I keep Brandon Lee's chair in here because if I'm like getting ready, it's nice. And then this is what's freaking driving me crazy. It's just, he has his hats and then like hat cleaners or something. Then I have purses and jewelry and some hats. And I hate it. And then this is the stuff that I have bought so far to organize it. So it is a really good sized closet, but it just doesn't look put together. Okay, so I wanted to show you the things that I bought before I start unpacking it all. So I got mostly everything from Container Store and then a couple things from Amazon. So I got these gold hooks that I feel like will be good for my purses or a backpack or something like that. And then this is needed. This is obviously for his hats. And then I got this, which is actually just for inside my drawers because my underwear drawer has been just the worst. Like, it's just, these dressers are from Wayfair and they're good but not great. They aren't, I don't know, the drawers just aren't very big, and so you kind of just have to stuff everything in there. So I think that'll help. And then I got this one's from Amazon, and it's just obviously a tie and belt hanger, which I know is something that he really wanted. And then these, when I was looking on the Container Store, it was showing how you could like put your purses in these and make them like sit upright and just look better. So I'll probably use that for my purses. And then this is something I don't know if we'll use, but I just kind of added it to my cart on Amazon. It's a LED motion sensor light. Yeah, I don't know if we need it in here because we have a good light, but I thought it could be cool to maybe put it like underneath right here. Other than that, I don't know. I don't know. We'll just see. We'll see if I even use this. And then I have I have two of these shoe shelves. So at least the ones on the bottom won't be sitting like this. And then I got myself a jewelry organizer.
I've never really been the one who's worried, always been the one who's keeping it cool, the kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. 'Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free.
Okay, you guys, I have made so much progress. I'm still not completely done. I'm about to go to Target to get a few more things, but I want to show you what I've done. I somehow forgot to record myself doing these things. I just kept going and I forgot to record it, but I hung up this thing. So now all of his belts and ties are hung up, which is really nice. I did not get enough of these shoe things. I thought they were way longer. I don't think he'll need another one, but this is already nice to have the shoes down here because these sit on his dresser. And then I just put the rest of them up there. So really happy about that. I have 3 of these things. My everyday purse is downstairs, but if it's ever up here, I'll hang it right there. I have a shoe thing for me. I clearly need one more to put. And then this thing is really nice. It's just to divide the purses, and then I put my hats there. And then I don't know where all my jewelry went, but I think it's in the basement in storage. But I finally got a thing to like hang up my jewelry and whatnot. And then I thought I bought 2 of these. I actually think I do. I think the second one is somewhere downstairs. But it's not necessary at all. But, you know, if you don't have like a walk-in closet, and it gets dark in there, this thing would be amazing. So when you walk by it, it turns on, and it just sticks up there. And so I'm going to put another one right there. And it's actually been really nice. Like, I just went and did my laundry, and yeah, I mean I like it. It's not needed, but I like it. Oh, and then yeah, this is where I put the third one, and this is where I have like bags that I don't really want to throw away because they're really good for storage. Like, I put my dirty workout clothes in here so I can wash them all together. And then I have like a Victoria's Secret bag, I think, and that's like a MAC bag. But yeah, so what I'm gonna go get at Target is wooden hangers because I'm so sick of these colorful hangers. They're dry. Oh, and his hat thing, you guys. Oh my gosh, this is so much better. And he has even more hats, but like I think there's 2 more clips, and then you can even put 2 to a clip. So I'm so happy with that. But anyways, wooden hangers, I need them. These I just think are ruining like the entire closet.
I am made to be free. Myself and myself only. I've been like that since I was a kid. I've always put my feet wherever I want to. Before I saw who I could be, kept thinking, where did I go wrong? Then realizing where I...
So as you guys just saw, I was putting his clothes on his new hangers, and oh my gosh, it looks so much better with these. These are like his golf shirts, and I organized it from light to dark. And then same just like his regular shirts. And then his jackets. And those are some extras. So let me give you an overview. So we have the belt and tie, the hats, the new wooden hangers, the shoe rack, the light that's under there, And then these golden knobs, which I have up here. And then I got a shoe rack for my side, and I just ordered one that will be coming hopefully soon for right there. But it looks so much better. I mean, I would love to have new dressers, but that'll just have to wait. And there's the little babe. Brinley! Brinley! What are you doing? Yeah. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this kind of video. I love organizing. I'm kind of like on an organizing kick. So if there's anything else you'd like to watch, just give me some suggestions down below. And don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
I am made to be